Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Google Drive with ClickUp, so you can streamline your workflow and keep all your files just a click away. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Google Drive connected to your ClickUp workspace, ready to access your documents, spreadsheets, and more directly where you organize your tasks. This integration is honestly one of the game changers for boosting productivity, so let's get right into it and make your workspace smarter. Start by heading to your ClickUp workspace. You'll want to be on the dashboard where you manage your lists and tasks. This is basically home base for everything you do in ClickUp. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to sign in with your usual credentials. This is important because integrations like these work best when you're already settled in your main working environment. Next up, look for the More option. It's typically found in your sidebar or the workspace navigation menus. Clicking More expands a set of additional features in ClickUp, almost like peeking into a hidden toolbox. This is where the magic happens. Think of it as unlocking extra abilities for your workspace, including those all-important app integrations. Don't worry if you have trouble spotting it. Sometimes interface layouts change a little with updates, but usually it's near where you create new tasks or adjust your workspace settings. Once you've got the More menu open, find and select Apps. Apps in ClickUp are pre-built connections that let you blend other services right into ClickUp itself. This step is crucial because instead of juggling between tabs or windows, integrating here means you'll get smoother, more automated workflows. Look for the Google Drive icon or label. It should stand out among the available options. If you don't see it immediately, try searching Google Drive or scroll down. Sometimes integrations are grouped alphabetically or by popularity. Click on Google Drive. This is where you actually initiate the connection process. When you do this, you'll usually see a quick setup window pop up. It's here that ClickUp asks for permission to link with your Google account. Think of it almost as inviting Google Drive to join your team. You're letting it know, hey, you're welcome to bring files into my ClickUp tasks. Now hit the Connect button. This will prompt you to select which Gmail account you want to use for this integration. If you use multiple Gmail addresses, maybe one for work, one for personal, be sure to choose the one linked to your Google Drive where your important files live. This is a simple but really important step. Making the right connection means all the right files show up when you need them. Once you've selected your Gmail, just hit Continue. And that's it, you're done. The setup usually only takes a few seconds, but don't worry if there's a brief pause while ClickUp and Google Drive shake hands behind the scenes. You'll know it's complete when you see Google Drive available in your app integrations. From now on, you'll be able to seamlessly attach Drive files directly to tasks and projects inside ClickUp. It's a simple setup, but the improvement in organization and collaboration is huge, sort of like getting a direct pipeline from your Drive folders into your daily workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Feel free to drop any questions or your own integration tips in the comments. I always love hearing how people use these tools. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical, clear tutorials to level up the way you work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.